At COP16 here in Cali, Colombia, it's been a difficult negotiation. There are some big ticket items which still now we're trying to resolve. For example, on the resource mobilization and the financial mechanism, this has been one of the sticking points, and right now this has been escalated to the high-level segment with ministers' intervention to ensure that we get a successful discussion on this, as well as these negotiations on digital sequence information. It's also been one which we have a lot of divergence on, but hopefully by tomorrow we should have some positive outcomes on these decisions. We have seen progress. After 8 years, we finally got a decision on ecologically and biologically sensitive areas on the EPSAs, so that was a big success for us last night. We adopted an L document on EPSAs after 8 years, so that in itself is a big achievement. Hopefully by the end of tomorrow when we leave COP, we should be on a path that we can achieve our 2030 goal of achieving the GBF and putting us on that path to recovery to meet the overall goal of living in harmony with nature by 2050.